Hi, in this video lecture we're going to continue talking about running dynamic simulations in Python but using Collimator, and specifically we're going to install a tool, a package in Python called PyCollimator. This will allow us to establish connectivity between a Python script like in Jupyter Notebook and our Collimator models, and specifically later on we'll talk about an API or an application programming interface. So this step is fairly simple. We just need to install this PyCollimator tool, which you should only have to do once ever, and then you can just keep using the tool from there. So I'm going to pull up my Anaconda Navigator suite. This is something you can download. Just Google Anaconda Navigator, download, and download it for your machine, whether that be a PC or a Mac. So what I would do, we're going to be using a tool in future lectures called Jupyter Notebook. So you can install this from a Jupyter Notebook, or you can install it from this command.exe prompt. So I'm going to do it from this command.exe prompt. I just launch that. I go into here, and from here I can just do a pip install PyCollimator. Alright, so this says, we get through all these lines and it says successfully installed PyCollimator. And just to show you the other way of doing it, I'm going to uninstall it from here. So with that similar line, pip uninstall PyCollimator. This asks me just to confirm if I really want to do this. Okay, I successfully uninstalled it now. So you can also do this from the Jupyter Notebook itself. So I'm going to go in here, launch a Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I've got my Jupyter Notebook loaded, and I can just go here and do a pip install PyCollimator from here. So either way seems to be working just fine. I do this, you notice the star here that shows that it's still running. It's doing everything. We get that same message, successfully installed PyCollimator. Okay, this is a short one. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll establish the API that can push and pull data from our Collimator model.